So some of you have seen this video. I talk about how much we made last month in Airbnb, about 2.2 million. But what did we make last month? And I'm so excited because we made, what is it, 240,000? Yeah, so let's just show you 204. I did this in a video so you guys know that I'm not photoshopping this shit. We're loading the Chase Bank account. We're downloading a PDF statement from my Chase Bank account, and we're looking at our deposits, $240,000 last month. That's cash. So, yes, you guys saw in a previous video, July, we made $240,000 on Airbnb the month prior. But the question is show me the profits, right? How much money did we profit on Airbnb? So let me walk you through our price structure a little bit because I like you guys and I want you all to know what it's like to run a business that does rental arbitrage. So with that said, let's look at this $240,000 and I'll break it down for you right now. So welcome back, Airbnb family. So the screen that I have up is a website called TimeStation. It's probably the most significant part of this video because obviously we do rental arbitrage, so we pay rent. So out of the $240,000 that we revenued, $89,000 of it was rent. First, just wipe that away. So minus 89,000. Now the question is, where is another large chunk of our cost cluster? Well, at scale, 55 properties, we're looking at a lot of wages for housekeepers and managers. So how much are we spending on housekeepers is really the question. So this is one of our teams, and the total here is about $1,600 for 1 week. That is about a third of our entire wage roll. So we're looking at about $4,500 a week in wages. And every month is actually 4.3 weeks, not just 4. So we're looking at about $19,300 in wages. Okay, so $89,000 in rents, $19,300 in wages. So now we're looking at about, that's $108,300 in costs. Well, now what else costs money? You've got utilities, you've got supplies. So utilities, we're paying for electricity and internet, which is probably about $140 per property because we don't use that much electricity in a lot of our studios. So with that, the fact that we're like sharing Netflix accounts and we're sharing Amazon Prime accounts, stuff like that, our supplies and utilities together total to be about $12,000, right? And that includes our little renter's insurances and everything else. So our entire roll, like our expenses for this whole amount, is about $120,000. So if you run your Airbnb business well, right, have a good cost structure, and are charging good revenues, stuff like that, we just made $120,000 in profit on $240,000 in revenue, $89,000 in rent, and the rest is wages and other expenses like utilities. So that's it. Easy. Nothing fancy. So like this video because you got to talk to me about how much money I spent on what we made, and remember to subscribe. I remember this channel a year and a half ago, 2 years ago, we're talking about making $30,000 a month on Airbnb, and now we're talking about making $240. Wonder where we'll be next year, right? So there's plenty more to come. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching Airbnb Automated. I wish that you guys will start making this money one day. I'm sure that some of you are well on your way. So thank you for being part of the Airbnb family, and I'll see you on the other side.